Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to link PSN Playstation to Steam. Let's begin. So you are going to open up Steam, and once you've opened up Steam, you are going to go to the top left corner, then select the Steam logo, and then you're going to hit Settings. After selecting Settings, you are going to go to the left side here, you're going to scroll down a bit, and then look for something which says Remote Play. After selecting Remote Play, you have to make sure that this is enabled where it says Enable Remote Play. Stream gameplay between this computer and other devices. Then once you're done, you are going to open up your web browser. Once you've opened up your web browser, you are going to search up Link PlayStation Account to Steam. Once you're done, you are going to select the first link where it says PC Registration. Then you're going to scroll down a bit, and it says here, stay connected with PlayStation. Link your Steam account to PlayStation Network to receive unlocks in this and other PlayStation Studios games. So you are going to select continue at the bottom. So now it says how to sign into PSN when playing a PlayStation game on PC. Purchase, download, and start an eligible PlayStation game playable on PC. Then number 2, go to the main menu for the game and select sign in. Then number 3, sign in using your sign-in ID, which is your email address, or create an account. Account linking may be completed when you sign in. This experience may vary between titles. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.